sous vide machine ready. Now switch on, and then we are going to cook the whole chicken. So we select P4. This is a 70 degrees, and for cooking for 2 hours. And then start. Temperature now, because I put the hot water into the pan, so it's already 65. So the target is 70. After 70 is reached, it will start to count down from 2 hours. And the water is prepared at this level because I have a whole chicken put there. And then after putting the whole chicken, the water level will go up. Today we're going to sous vide this complete frozen chicken. Firstly, we no need to mandarin it, but we have this complete seasoning paper. We can have 3 of them to wrap it up. Then it can deliver very good flavors to the chicken. Other side, put another 2. So this is to make sure all around the chicken we have the parchment paper. Okay, because the next step we are going to chicken seal, and parchment paper would stick on the skin of the chicken very well. So first step we seal with this clipper, and then we leave it on the flat surface. Okay, make sure it is on this way. Now what we do is to take about a few seconds. Okay. We put the chickens into the basket, and now we can use the clipper to find the best way to fix it so it would immerse into the water very well. So this one, we can put the clipper here, and let's try this, and then put into the water. You see, with the clipper, the water is over the chickens, so it's well prepared. So now close the lid. It's almost 2 hours. We can take the chickens out from the machines, and there's a 2 click release here. Okay, chickens out from the bag, and see how it is level. It's chicken. Then we now put some olive oil. So after we fry each side for about 3 or 2 now we totally cut widely spread out all the chest area of the chickens, and then we turn it to the another side to cook it up. Here at this side, the spice just totally gives the good flavors to the skin of the chicken. This is well done in this side, but just not yet cooked at the other side. The little safety of the totally. We have the 3 dishes for the chicken, and also we have the rice and the balloon. Wow, it's very rich dinner.